Hello, myself Gyas, aptitude trainer at SP Global Solution branch Hyderabad. Today I'm just explaining the very important technique for simple interest. This is the technique number 3. So the question is what? Calculate the rate of simple interest at which an amount becomes 4 times itself in the span of 20 years. This is a model question. In this type of question, rate of interest is asked, an amount become 4 times, 10 times, any number of time. Okay, and this is the time period given. So a smart way for this type of question is that you use this technique. R rate of interest equal to n minus 1 into 100 upon time period t. So here in this question n is given 4 times, that is 4. So n equal to 4 minus 1 into 100 and time is given 20 years. So this is 20. Okay, so 25 is 100. This is 3. So 3 into 5, that is 15%. So R is always in percent. So this is 15% is correct answer. So this is the simple technique for this type of question. But if you solve this question by the basic, it will take lot of time. So how we solve this question by basic, you see. Here calculate the rate of interest. That rate of interest is not given. We have to find question mark. And principal is not known, but we assume, suppose P is 100, principal is 100. Okay, now amount become 4 times. So amount equal to what? 4 times of 100, that is 400. Okay, and now time is given, T is given what? 20 years. So T is given, A is given, P is given. So we can find I, yani simple interest, easily. Simple interest I equal to what? A minus P. So A is here 400 and P is here 100. So this is what? 300. Now we have principal P and interest I and T. So we know basic formula of R, yani simple interest is what? AR simple interest equal to 100 into simple interest I upon principal into time. Now we have 100 into interest is 300. So this is 300. Now principal is what? 100 into time is given 20. Okay, so 100 cancel out, 0 cancel out, and 30 by 2, that is 15. So your answer is what? 15%. So answer is correct. Here also 15% is right answer. Here also 15% right answer. But what is the difference? Difference is that in a smart way you know only technique what? N minus 1 into 100 by 2. N is 4. So you can say direct 3 into 100 by 20. 25 is 100, 15 is your correct answer in a second. But in the basic way, at first you have to find interest and then use the basic trick of basic formula of rate of interest, that is 100 into I by P into T. Then your answer will be 15%. So in this way, anytime this type of questions comes, you apply this a smart way, and this type of questions are asked in so many interviews exam, placement exams and other competitive exams also. Thank you.